Although wearing fabric masks may look better than a medical mask, it can pose a threat to your health. Oftentimes, fabric masks are made with an inadequate amount of layers or inadequate fabric that allows droplets to pass through the mask, making the chances of infection and sickness to be much more likely. The CDC recommends the use of a fabric mask that has multiple layers and fits snugly around your face. Additionally, they do not recommend the use of gaiters or face shields. If you do frequently use a fabric mask, a good way to tell if your mask is adequate for public use is by blowing out a candle. It's not the most accurate test, but it gives the general idea of how effective your mask is. To test this, I'll be comparing a bandana, a lightweight single layer mask, a thicker single layer mask, a double layer mask with a filter, and a medical mask. The bandana's lack of thickness allowed lots of air to pass through, making the candle flame move quite a bit. Because the fabric for the lightweight single layer mask was so thin and loosely woven, the flame was nearly blown out. The thick, elastic material for this single layer mask provided much better protection, but looking closely at the flame, you'll notice it did move slightly. Though this mask had 2 layers, its fabric had a low thread count, allowing plenty of air to pass through and make the flame move. The filter in this sturdy double layer mask makes an adequate barrier that prevented the flame from flickering at all. Medical masks are made with multiple layers of non-woven material, making a safe barrier that didn't move the flame. The bandana, the lightweight single layer mask, and the double layer mask proved to be ineffective as they all let the air pass through the mask and made the flame flicker. This is due to their lack of thickness and low thread count. The thick single layer mask, the double layer mask with the filter, and the medical mask were effective at keeping the flame still, proving that they don't let as much air pass through. This is because of their thickness and higher thread count. If you have a medical mask on hand, that is certainly the safest bet. But if you do use a fabric mask, make sure you have one made out of thick material with a high thread count and multiple layers to prevent the spread of illness. Reporting for Scott Center News, I'm Sabrina Lowe.